Hey everyone, Greg Lambert with the Up and Up Pup. I just did a video of a dog that I have at my house right now, and he is really reactive at home. He tried to bite me when I was in the consultation. He has bit other people at the house. One of their biggest things was just other people in general. I was coming right in from yoga, soaking wet. Came in the front door, got him out on a walk real quick, and I came home and there was a bunch of people here, and I just wanted to try and get some of it on film for you guys to see and for the owner to see. So it's long and it's a lot of just positive reinforcement, and it's just kind of me working through a really tough moment with some people at the house. So please don't mind the house being maybe a little bit messy or anything like that, or me sniffling a lot because I think I just been outside. Like I said, been through yoga, and right before the video, we did a nice little sit stay when we got into the house. You already knew that some people were there. And then we went right into the crate, and then we just worked on just positively reinforcing, because the dog is just not okay with strangers, not okay with things of that sort. You're going to see times in the video where I give a little correction because we're getting a little too wound up. And then there's other times when I don't, and you'll hear growling. And that's because I don't want to fully suppress that growl. I'm happy that, the dog is letting me know. Now there's times where I'm going to say, hey, leave that alone. But the dog is letting me know, hey, I'm not okay. Like, I'm stressed out. Like, that is not the worst thing that a dog could do. He's not lunging and trying to bite anybody. He's not freaking out, barking, going crazy. A tiny little low pitch growl. That's okay. I'm cool with that. If I'm at my house and the dog, and if somebody's kind of walking around the house and the dog's letting off a little low-pitched growl, at least I know where the state of mind of my dog is. I don't want that to escalate. I obviously want to give my dog guidance through it and make sure that he starts liking it. And you're going to see that I try to give a lot of positive reinforcement when we're being really relaxed and kind of letting it go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. It's like 16-17 minutes long. It may seem a little boring at times, but it could be really helpful for somebody that may be dealing with some reactivity. But this is a dog that also has been here for 2 weeks, and the owner also has been reinforcing for 2 weeks in between. So the dog's been like working on stuff for about a month now. We have really good control at this point. Don't expect that you can maybe just throw a super reactive dog into a situation like this. We have been working up to something like this, something that we work on every single day, and this was just a really good success that we had. It's just going to be a really good thing that I can kind of send people to, or show even the client here afterwards for him to maybe reference back to and see how I dealt with a tough situation. So anyways, hope you guys like the video, and I hope that it helps somebody. So, all right.
We did the COVID test, and then they laid it on the table, one of those, like you did in the.
Sounds good, okay, then, and then this is business.
That's the
I
business.
finished the whole chair, drove it around, fixed it and everything.
Job,
Nobody
buddies.
ever came in to check that.
Oh,
Yeah, you
you're getting treated now,
A
Robin.
little bit, because you were on, you had unemployment. So, I'm all done.
He's good ball.
Yeah, you guys know enough deductions here, right?
Yeah, should. I thought that last year too.
No.
No.
Deduction at 10,000.
Oh, better.
And that came in the middle of the ball game, it came like
Right.
in March.
Yeah.
And, but this year, no, there was no.
No.
allowance for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. It's better, big friend. Oh, there you go.
All right, Jamie.
Good call, ball.
All righty. So how's everybody doing? Joey and
Good.
Valerie?
Good.
Good.
She's at work
Good
shopping.
work, Freddie.
Is Joey still at home?
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, so
If
he's.
you go to a facility like,
Second semester.
Yeah.
No.
That's different, these are just,
Yeah.
random places, and they're just,
What he wanted to do.
Oh, that's great.
It's better, ball.
He wanted to take a year off, but he finally got it,
Oh,
so.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Better late than never, you know?
Right.
He's still young, so he's good.
Oh, right, yeah.
I didn't
All right.
realize that. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, like I said, the one day I had 5, I'm like, really?
When he would go to work, he had to be COVID tested
Almost every facility I went into,
five
Wow.
times in one
5
day.
times in one day I had.
Because he went to different places.
Oh,
Even though I just told him I just left the place an hour ago and I was negative. You know, but.
No.
I never tested positive.
Oh
It's
my
fine.
goodness, that's insanity. This whole thing's been insanity, okay?
Oh no, it's been nuts.
And you know, really, it's gotta be done with because it's just
It's better,
disruptive.
buddy.
It's just after a while,
Goodness,
I mean, we
it's
know what
much
it
better,
is.
Big
And, you know,
Fred.
basically, you know, it is people that are older, you know, that have immune system issues.
Old people, you can say it.
Yes. Myself included, okay, I'm old, but she's old, I'm the next one. But no,
I recognize it.
whatever.
I know it's tough for you to let it go, but I know it is. I know it is. It's really tough, huh? Good job.
We didn't know how either.
That's
Well,
really
So
helpful.
we got it, we got the COVID over the house, yeah.
I can cook
You
it.
go, bud.
I can cook it.
But it was
So
that-
I cook with
Yeah,
Derek.
I'm a crank.
I'll
You
bring
know,
mine
so
home and I'll eat
I
it.
think Joey got it. Well, supposedly he got it. He tested positive. But he was never sick. Of course, he got the shots, but he was never sick.
We didn't
He just had like a cold, like, you know. But he was off
zinc
school
and
for
D
5,
and C.
7,
I
it
don't know if
was.
it's healthy or not.
Yeah, I mean, you know, and
Yeah.
his professors were not
Right.
happy.
Yeah, it's like, I'm going to the grocery store right now.
You know, I mean,
Get
they didn't wanna let him do it online, they didn't wanna let him do this and do that, and then we already had a trip planned before, you know, and one of his,
doing what we
Things
think
said-
is healthy.
Good.
Right.
Better.
hope this isn't gonna be all, you know, an every year thing or something like that. And then she was out because her daughter.
Oh, pub.
I said, if I was you, I'd have told her, I hope
not
this
so
ain't no
bad,
every
bud.
week thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't get nasty with them, you know, but.
No, it doesn't do any good, you know?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are all good, and your kids.
Yeah, as soon as we get the old body back to normal again here, we'll be okay.
Well, good weather's coming.
Yeah, so I get back up, I get out there walking and get this leg moving better. But it's funny, like I tell the doctors and everything, where I sit at home and then I get up and go along to the bathroom, it's like hanging on the wall, my left leg don't want to move.
Better,
Right
bud.
leg's fine, it's the one I have the new hip, but the other one want to move. But then if I go upstairs,
You can ride
I
over
go right upstairs, don't bother me one
These
bit.
guys aren't so bad, are they?
That's good, I mean, you could do that, you know?
Isn't that weird?
Yeah, it is weird.
Well,
They're
yeah,
pretty cool,
then maybe
actually.
you gotta do your own version of physical
Oh,
therapy.
you
and
want
strengthen that
You
other
want
leg.
more? Oh,
You don't think you're
goodness.
headed for another replacement.
Well, as of now, the doctor told me I had plenty of time inside.
Okay, so just try to.
But when I used to walk, when we used to walk, man, I'll tell you right now, right hip
Good work, bud.
would be on fire.
Yeah, that's good.
That's what
At least they're not brutal, you know, where, you know, some people just.
Some milk every day, you know.
Good job.
Well,
Did you
don't
take a
touch me.
look?
Don't-
Did you
don't fall.
check them out?
No,
That was good.
Goodness,
Goodness,
buddies.
buddies.
This toy right
The bathroom, can't get a walk in the water rolling water.
Good job, buddy.
Going in, slowly getting the door.
Not bad at all, is it? Oh,
I had
goodness.
to close, so I figured, I'll put that. Ain't gonna work. So I just said, I'll just take the walker and put it in backwards.
Good job, bud.
It's all the
Well,
things
you
that I
get
know
decided
would be
down, huh?
Funny.
This little girl, but it's just a little one.
Physical
Good job.
therapy.
I want that paw.
They were
Give
telling
me
me,
that
oh,
paw.
yeah, you
Give
can
me
walk
that
in the stairs and
paw.
all that. And I'm thinking, yeah, okay. You know,
You're
but then
just
they're
slobbering
not
now.
gonna walk stairs, right?
Right, right.
The day after surgery, three weeks, whatever it was. And I'm like, so, well, the day after that, then the occupational therapist came. Well, you're gonna need a reach.
Good
right
job.
there, because you can't bend over. You gotta reach down close. So, she said, oh, okay, and then she said, well, and I see you got a rolling walker and a regular walker and blah, blah, blah. Well, let's go upstairs, we went upstairs. She says, and now you have a regular bathroom.
There you go, yes.
He's a bad bud.
Alrighty, let's get out of here. We got some running around today. I gotta go get some work done.
Okay, good seeing you, Gary.
Thank you.
Good, good.
Where's
You know,
the dog?
you told me like last year. It was in last. I think he's a little older than us, you know, a little bit.
He was here for some training a couple weeks ago and now this is
Just picking up something
like
up
Yeah.
from airport. Yeah. I was talking with him, he's like, yeah, what are you doing? And I said,
Good
"Yeah,
job,
I'm doing my own
bud. It's
business."
very nice.
Time, which was,
Good air
Ralph.
scenting, Bob. That's very
I remember
nice.
that.
Good
He was a
air
weirdo, right? He
scenting.
was a
There was some nice pictures
Yeah,
of the wall.
Fred
Good air
has-
scent, bud. Good boy.
Now bought her wet food and she was.
Very
eating
nice,
that, and she
bud.
just quit.
Good
There
scenting.
was times, you know, there was, you should
Maybe
try
got
money
an
against
extra
them.
month.
In this field is kind of.
Alright, I know. I don't want to get you
Oh,
upset.
yeah, I don't even know what that is. She
Just
keep it
started
nice and
before
calm,
COVID.
Bob.
She was going on Fridays
Okay.
Take it nice.
to get her used to it. And so now she just goes Monday through
Working
Thursday.
great, and all of a
And
sudden,
then we have Fridays,
Very
she has
nice.
Fridays.
Lord looked out. He redid my pipe and then
Good,
my
bud.
She's got, she's
outside.
having
Go
classes,
bowl
she's
away.
actually going out, because I don't. Because they have,
You know, I
they
don't know.
would
Good
have
job,
some-
Fred. Checking him out. That's a
Other
nice
end,
boy.
other side of the
Good
building.
work, buddy.
So that's a lot, you know,
Somewhere.
you gotta
I mean,
be
it costs
back
them,
to
but,
normal,
you know.
I mean, other, yeah.
So I, cause like
Good
Valerie's
job,
cooking class is
bud.
like $3
That's
a
what I
week.
have to do.
They're nice, huh?
And then her cooking class is
Those are nice
$5 a week,
people.
and they make something every week.
At the house and
You got some
So-
crap
How
hanging
long
out of
is
your
she there
mouth.
each day?
What is that?
Are you
They,
still
I'll
using the
fix her up
same
at like 9 and she
warehouse
starts off
or
at
whatever?
3.
What do you got there?
So,
Storage place down there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we've been there a lot of time.
Whatever.
keep raising the rate on you. I might be-
So-
Where is that? Is that
Yeah,
located
I
in
don't
Hall
know,
Road or
Terry's
something?
gonna be 57.
He's doing good.
I'm gonna get messed up here, so,
Okay.
all right. we'll
Good
see you later.
checking him out, Fred. That's nice of you to check him
Yeah,
out.
we won't
Geez,
let you-
nice of you to check him out, Fred.
yeah,
All right.
we'll get to-
Good
Alrighty.
work, buddies.
Can't
All right,
believe
thanks,
her
sir.
grandbaby
You're
was
welcome,
like
I'll be in touch.
Pam.
Okay.
Jason,
Yeah.
All right.
Jeez, oh,
Yeah, he's a year old.
he went too
Yeah.
damn fast.
Good job.
crazy.
All right, brother, we'll talk to you later.
Bye.
All right, see you later, huh?
Watch your stuff there.
Yeah.
Good work,
I've
Freddies.
done that many a time too.
Okay, that was real nice, Bob.